Today we are going to continue about studying functions. Now let's say we have a rule. A simple rule is, let's say, adding 3. Adding 3. Now here with the mapping, our rule is this one. With the drawing diagram or mapping diagram. Now what we had before we had, okay, the x and the y we had. Now here the rule is adding 3. The function is adding 3. Now if we have here 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, with this rule adding 3, what will be here? 1 plus 3 will be what? 4.
4.
Yes, 2 plus 3?
2, 5.
5. 3 plus
5.
3? 6.
6.
And 4 plus 3?
7.
And 5 plus 3, it will be 8. Now here what we did, using the rule, instead of for x we gave some values, we apply the rule and we got the y, the result. Here what we can do, here we can show it in this form. Now 1 went to 4, 2 went to 5, 3 went to 6, 4 went to 7, and 5 went to 8. Now can we show this one with another? Can we show this one with another way? Now here we can show this one with input and output with function machine. It will be like this one. Here input will be okay, the function will be plus 3. Plus 3 is the function, and there is the output. There is the output. Okay, there is the output. Now on the left side, if input was 1, the output was 4. If it was 2, output was 5. Now if it was 3, output was 6. Now here we can use with another way. Okay, it was mapping. Mapping was like this one, x, and it maps. Okay, let's erase this one. Okay, x, it maps. Okay, to x plus 3. So x plus 3. Now here we have these points, and we know this one. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me write them as a point here. As a point, I am going to write. First one was 1 and 4. Okay, the second point was 2 and 5. Sorry. Okay. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. The next point was 3 and 6. The next point was 4 and 7. The next point was 5 and 8. Now these are the points that we get. We can put these points where? We can put these points on the coordinate system. Okay, let's put them on the coordinate system. Okay. The points I am going to sorry. Let's insert. Now I can put them here. Okay. Now what was our points? 1 and 4. Our points was 1 and 4. Okay. 1 and 4. Our points. X1, Y4, it will be this point. 2 and 5 will be this point. Okay, 3 and 6 will be this point. Okay, 4 and 7 will be this point. 5 and 5 and 8, it will be this point. Now, what I can do here, I can join all these points. Is it true? Okay, if I am going to
Yes.
join all these points, now this will be my line. I join these points, but I draw here line without any break here. Why? Because between these numbers, for example, we have 1.5, it's a decimal number, or can be 1.2, a decimal number, can be 1. Okay, let's say 11, can be 1.352. All these points follows the same rule, plus 3. Okay, follows plus 3. Now, if you are going to make plus 3 here, plus 3 here, plus 3 here, plus 3 here, and you are going to get these points between these points. Now, it will be, for example, 4 and 5, it will be somewhere here, the other one will be here, the other one will be here, the other one will be here, and with this way, okay, we are going to fulfill our line, our points as a line, and all the points makes a line here. That's why I draw the line. Now, what we can do is here, and when we are working with this way, as you see, now here we use this way, first way, second way, third way, and this is the fourth way with the drawing the line. And let's say this is the fifth way, will be here what? The fifth way will be here making a table. Okay, making a table for X value and for Y value here. Now, and it's better to making table while we are drawing the graph. Now here, let's say X we have. Okay, here, let's say, we can say here Y, or we can say X plus 3 for this area. It's same thing, yani X plus 3. Now, when X was 1, the Y was 4. When X is 2, the Y will be 5. When X is 3, the Y will be 6. When X will be 4, the Y will be 7. When it becomes 5, it will be 8. Now, this is the table showing of the function. Now, if it's 6, the result will be what? The result will be 9. Now here we can show in different ways with the function, and they have the same meaning. Now here we did it with the diagram, we did it with the function machine, we did it mapping, we did it here with the drawing the graph or drawing the line or joining the points, and the last one is showing it with the table. Now let's go and let's solve an example. Example says us, if Y is equal to 3X plus 1, copy and complete the table for the mapping. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, let's make our table here. Okay, and XY will be here. Okay, here, another one, and let's say the last one. Now here we have what we have here. We have X, and here we have Y. Now for X we are going to use -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 we have. Now the Y, what will be here? How we are going to evaluate the Y? It's very simple. Instead of X, we are going to replace -1 for this function. It will be Y will be equal to 2 multiplied -1 and plus 1. 2 multiplied -1 is equal to -2 and plus 1, and the result will be equal to -1. Is it true? What I did, is it true?
Let's see.
Is it true or not?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, if it's true, I am going to write here, if X -1, Y will be also minus 1. If it's here, let's say we said x is equal to here minus 1. Now let's say x is equal to 0. Now if x is equal to 0, 2 multiplied 0, it will be 0 plus 1, it will be plus 1. Now if x is equal to 1, it will be what? 2 multiplied 1 plus 1, it will be equal to 3. Okay, if x1, y will be equal to 3. Now, if x is equal to 2, the result will be what? 2 multiplied 2 plus 1, it will be equal to 5.
5.
Okay, I am not going to make evaluation on the board and direct, I can write. Here I got the sequence here, minus 1, 1, 3, 5, and it goes 2 by 2 up. Then the next one will be 7, the other one will be 9, and the other one will be what? 11.
11.
Now with this one, what we did, copy and complete the table for the mapping, and we did it. For the mapping, we did our table, and we have the points now. The points are what? The points are, let me write the points here.
1 minus 1
Okay, yes, minus 1 and minus 1,
minus
first
1.
one. The next one is
0 and 1.
okay, good. The next one,
1 and 3.
okay, very good. The next one,
2 and 5.
2 and 5. Now the next one will be 3
3
and
and 7.
7. The next one will be 4 and
4 and
9.
9.
Now, I am not going to write the last one. These are enough for us. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to make a graph of this relation. Now, I am going to make a graph for this relation. Now, here I have the coordinate, my coordinate system. Now, I am going to bring the points there. Okay, these are the points. I will carry them, and I am going to use them for mapping or graphing. Now here I have them. Now first point is what? Minus 1 and minus 1. X minus 1, y minus 1 will be this point. Now the next one is x0, y1. It will be this point. Now the next one, x is 1, y is 3. X is 1, y is 3. It will be this point. If the points are small, I can make them big. 2 and 5. 2 and 5 will be this point, and 3 and 7 will be this point, and 4 and 9 will be this point. What I am going to do now, between these points here, there are many points. All these points applies the same rule. That's why I can draw my line, and I am going to draw it now from here. Okay, goes to here. Do you see all points came on my line? Okay, all points now staying on my line. Okay, with this one, we solved the second part of our question. What was second part of our question is make a graph of this relation. Make a graph of this relation. Now we did it here. Now our graph is here, as you see. Our graph is here, and this is our graph. We solved our question. Do you have any question?
No.
No? Now let's see. Okay. Just wait. Okay. Now we did this one, we did this one, we did that one. Now with this one, we finish our lesson, and let's go exercises 14H. Now here, let me write exercises Exercises 14H is homework. Now solve all the questions. If you have questions for tomorrow, prepare them. You can answer your questions. Okay. Is there any question for now?
No.
No.
No? Now, if there is no any question, we are going to finish. See you tomorrow.
See you.
See you.
Yeah.